Hello.
Good morning, sir.
एक हाँ, फिर से बोलना। हेलो।
Hello.
हाँ, वॉइस इज क्लियर।
Yes, yes. Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग। हेलो। ये लास्ट क्लास में कहाँ तक पढ़ाया था? अच्छा, कॉसिक फार्मूला फॉर डेरिवेटिव बता दिया था। ओके। So, yesterday class we discussed cosec integral formula for derivative. So fz is analytic in the, suppose this is any domain D है. Now in this one, this is the simple closed curve C. So fz is analytic and z0 is any point inside C. This is at this point the function fz is not analytic. Okay. Number one. Number two, कि suppose fz is analytic inside inside D, means analytic in C. Okay. So therefore, if fz is analytic, so their all derivative exist. So now we can write fn z0 means this is n times differentiation of fz at z equal to z naught. So that is the f and z naught. This is factorial n by 2 pi I integral over this c fz by z minus z0 to power n plus 1 dz, where n is 1, 2, 3. So this is the example. We prove that integral over c dz by is equal to pi by 16. And the reason is c such that mod z minus I is 2. Hence compare this one to mod z minus z0 equal to या mod z minus a करते हैं, ये दोनों में confusion है, ठीक है. So mod z minus a equal to r. So what is this? This is the center and this is the radius. So z equal to, sorry, a equal to I. A equal to I means 0 plus 1 into iota. यानी कि x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So x equal to 0, this is, and y equal to 1, यानी कि this is 0 and ये 1, यानी कि 0, 1. This is the center. Now on this one, radius 2, so 0 and this is minus 1. So now on this one, draw the ये 1 और ये 1, 2. So this is the radius 2. Okay. Now z square plus 4 c fz is 1 upon z square plus 4 का whole square. So see, at that point the function is not analytic, means the denominator is 0, यानी कि z square plus 4 का whole square equal to 0. So z square plus 4 equal to 0, z square equal to minus 4. So z equal to plus minus 2 iota.
सर रेडियस 2 कैसे हुआ फिर से बताइए ना.
ये है ना, just you compare to this one. This is the circle mod z minus a equal to r. So this r is the radius. ये मेरे इसमें आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रहा? हेलो, क्लियर है?
नहीं, डायग्राम में 0 1 से 0 तक सिर्फ एक स्पेस होगा ना.
नहीं समझा, क्या बोल रहे हो फिर से?
डायग्राम में रेडियस 2, लेकिन 0 1 से 0 तक का डिस्टेंस तो 1 हुआ ना.
कहा इससे ना, लेकिन यहाँ ओके ओके, हाँ ये डायग्राम गलत बन गया. मैं भी सोचा था कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है. ठीक ठीक ठीक, एक सेकंड, डायग्राम गलत है ना? देखो, सही बोला. एक मिनट, 0 ये हो गया और ये हो गया 1. तो ये सेंटर है, ठीक तो बनाया था. एक देखो, यहां से ये हमारा z माइनस a इक्वल टू r. तो a इज द रेडियस, सॉरी सेंटर. a हमारा क्या है? सेंटर है, ठीक है. तो ये हमारा क्या है? सेंटर इज i. तो i का मतलब क्या हुआ? 0 प्लस 1 इंटू आई, यानी कि 0,1. तो ये हमारा सेंटर हो गया. इस सेंटर से, हाँ सही सही, इस सेंटर से 2 रेडियस है ना, तो यहाँ पे हो गया 2, और ऊपर जाए तो यहाँ पे हो गया 3, ठीक है. इधर हो गया और नीचे ये 0 और यहाँ पे क्या हो गया -1, तो यहाँ से ये अब गड़बड़ बनाया था। नाउ दिस इज द 2, यहाँ से ये 2, इधर से ये 2, ये 2। अब ठीक है, हेलो
Yes, sir.
ये ईयरफोन में आवाज चल पा, ठीक है अब क्लियर। ओके, सो +-2i, तो सी +2i यानी कि 0 1 2 यहाँ पे ये, सो z इक्वल टू अच्छा लिखा है, z इक्वल टू 2i लाइज इनसाइड c, but z इक्वल टू -2i, this is point -2, but this is outside of the region. So only disturbing element is z equal to 2 times I. So integral over c, we can write this is this fz, we can write 1 upon z plus is, actually we can write z square plus 4 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं z square plus 4 equal to z plus 2i and z minus 2i. तो 1 upon z प्लस 2i का होल स्क्वायर, और ये पूरे का स्क्वायर है, इसका स्क्वायर, इसका स्क्वायर, तो 1 upon z plus 2i, this is on the numerator, and z minus 2i ka whole square on the denominator. So now this, the power is 2, so n plus 1 in the formula Cauchy derivative, just use, see there is the n equal to 1, so for the formula यहाँ पे n equal to 1 substitute here, तो fn यानी कि d by dz of fz and z equal to z naught. Z naught is 2i, factorial 1 2 pi I integral over c fz upon z minus z0 के power 1 plus 1 यानी कि 2. Okay, so now integral over c fz upon z minus z0 के power 2 dz is 2 pi I by factorial 1 यानी कि 1, इसको इधर मल्टीप्लाई किया, now this is d by dz of fz, and after this one substitute z equal to 2i. Okay, so this is, तो see ये भी वही किया है, I is 2 pi I differentiation of fz with respect to z, and after differentiation substitute z equal to 2i. Now this, so you will get pi by 60. Okay. So you can solve this problem. Try it. Now next one is the power series. So an infinite series, if you write in this form, summation n equal to 0 to infinity an z minus z0 power n. Now in this infinite series, substitute n equal to 0, power is 0, so this is 1 a naught. Next one a1 z minus z0 power 1 dot 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 ar z minus z0 का power r dot dot plus an z minus z0 power n plus dot dot. So this type of series is called the power series about the point z equal to z naught. And definitely at this point, this series must convergent, because when you substitute z equal to z naught here, so you will get the constant term a naught. So this power series always converges at the point z equal to z naught. Now if we replace z naught to 0, so summation n equal to 0 to infinity n z minus 0 power n a naught plus a1z plus a2z square plus a3z cube dot 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 plus n z power. So this series is this one. So R denote the radius of convergence, capital R, and Z0 is the center of power series. So series is convergent for all Z when mod Z minus Z0 is less than R. And divergent, suppose this is circle, radius Z0, sorry, center Z0, radius R. So now in this one, series convergent, and outside of this one, the series is divergent. So this R is the real number. This is called mod Z minus Z naught equal to R. This is the circle of convergence of power series. Suppose R equal to 0, so we can say that the power series converges at the origin Z naught. And suppose this radius is infinite, and see, if the radius is 0, so therefore we can see that the power series converges on this one. If radius is infinite, so there is entire plane where the series is convergent. So the series is convergent for all Z. By this theorem, we can find the radius of convergence. So there are a lot of method, ratio test, D'Alembert test, Cauchy root test, logarithmic test, so Abel's test. So there are many tests by we can find the convergency and divergency of the series. But in your syllabus, there is the not study of any test. So just you remember this one. Suppose you have the any power series, then L star is the limit n tending to infinity mod n plus 1 by n. Yani ki this n is any real or complex numbers. So they are n plus 1th number divided by nth, and they find their ratio and their absolute value and find the limit. So this is the L star. This test is called the ratio test. Yeah, find the nth derivative, nth coefficient, and find their 1 by n, and also find the limit. So this is the L star. Now radius of convergence R is 1 upon L star. And suppose there are two power series. यानी कि suppose there are two power series. First का convergence क्या है? Radius of convergence R1, and second का क्या है? R2. So when you get the product of these two power series, so the radius of convergence of the product fz is minimum of R1 and R2. यानी कि दोनों में जो मिनिमम होगा वही इन दोनों के प्रोडक्ट का रेडियस ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस. So now in these examples, find the radius of convergence and circle of convergence of the power series. So see, this is the series. Now in this one, this is the an. An is factorial n ka whole square by factorial 2n. This is the an. So what is the an plus 1? N plus 1 factorial ka whole square divided by 2 times in the bracket n plus 1 पूरे का factorial. So see. So an plus 1 divided by an. So ये 2n factorial, this is go to the numerator, and n factorial ka whole square, this is go to the denominator. Now we know that factorial n is, या जैसे n plus 1 factorial क्या होगा? N plus 1 factorial n. So n plus 1 factorial को लिख सकते हैं n plus 1 factorial n. अब पूरे का स्क्वायर है नीचे 2n plus 1. So write 2n plus 2 का factorial. So this is 2n plus 2. Now 2n plus 1 and 2n factorial. So this substitute here. This cancel, and after simplifying you will get the limit is 1 upon 4. So radius is 4. Now similarly you can find the others. Limit n tending to infinity mod n ke power 1 by n. So in this one, see, n is, this is, so 1 plus 2 by n ke power n. So limit is e ke power 2 by n into n. So n cancel. So this is e ke power 2. So in this way, you can find the circle of convergence and radius of convergence. ये अपना find कर. Now Taylor's theorem. A function fz which is analytic inside the circle mod z minus z0 equal to r. Z0 and z is r. So a function fz which is analytic inside this circle, we can write as a Taylor series expansion, and this expansion is the unique expansion. यानी कि fz equal to summation n z minus z0 power n, where n is 1 by factorial n, as like the real dn by dzn fz. Now substitute z equal to z. So fz is this, where n is this one. If z0 is 0, so Taylor series converted into Maclaurin series. Okay, so you know this one. But think about this one. You study Taylor series in the real, and also you are here studying Taylor series in the complex. So what is the difference between Taylor series between real and complex? पहले इस पे सोचना थोड़ा. Find the function fz. This is the given function fz equal to 1 by z. So find the Taylor series expansion of fz equal to 1 by z about the point z equal to 2. So center is 2, so z0 is 2. Fz is 1 by z, so find their all derivatives. यानी कि f dash, f double dash, f triple dash 4 times. So when you find their derivative, so you can also find their nth derivative. So in the nth derivative, and we know that n is what? N is 1 upon factorial n. तो ये क्या होगा? Fn z0. Z0 is what? 2. Fn2. Okay. So n is चाहे क्या लिखा है? Fn यानी कि differentiation of Fz n times after differentiating substitute z equal to 2. So this is Fn2. So by this one you can find an. So this is the n. Now substitute in the series a naught a1 z minus z naught is 2. So this is the series. And L star is limit n tending to infinity n plus 1 by n. So n is, this is n. So n plus 1 minus 1 के power n plus 1 divided by 2 के power n plus 1 plus 1. यानी कि n plus 2. So minus 1 के power n plus 1 divided by 2 के power n plus 2. This is into 2 के power n plus 1 goes to the numerator, minus 1 के power n goes to the denominator. And simplify this one, you will get 1 by 2. So radius is 2. Another way you can find 1 by z and find the expansion about z equal to 2. So 1 upon 2 plus z minus 2 equal to 1 by 2. Now in this one, 2 common because z minus 2 is less than 1. So 1 plus z minus 2 by 2. So we can say that z minus 2 by 2, z minus 2 by 2, this is less than 1. Now you can apply the expansion 1 by 2. This is the binomial expansion you can find. So z minus 2 is less than, z minus 2 by 2 is less than 1. So therefore we can write mod z minus 2 is less than 2. So this is okay, z minus 2 is less than 2. So we can apply the Taylor series expansion. Okay. Similarly, you can find the Taylor series expansion of fz equal to e power z about the point z equal to 0 and about the point z equal to 2. Now in both cases, find the radius of convergence. So this is the exercise. इसको आप लोग कर लेना. So as like the Taylor series, now we discuss Lorentz series expansion. Actually, in Taylor series, a binomial series, you see there is the only positive degree terms. Means you know that in the polynomial you see the only the positive degree term. But in the case of Lorentz series, means suppose you have the series. In the series, there is the positive degree term as well as the negative degree term. So their totality is the Lorentz series expansion. Okay. So suppose the function fz this is analytic in the analysis region. Center Z minus Z naught R and mod Z minus. This is capital R. So suppose Fz is analytic inside this analysis region. First one is the C1 and this is the sorry ये C1 है and this is C2. Okay, first this is C1 and outer is C2. So function fz analytic inside the analysis यानी कि in this one region. ठीक है. So now fz can be represented as the Lorentz series expansion यानी कि पॉजिटिव डिग्री टर्म यानी कि ये दिस इज द पावर सीरीज का टर्म या टेलर सीरीज वाला प्लस दिस इज नेगेटिव डिग्री टर्म. So in combination we can write minus infinity to infinity Cn z minus z0 for n. So I am not going to detail the proof how to find this one. Just write the their result. Cn is this one and C minus n is this one. So remember this one. This is the Taylor series, Lorentz series expansion. So find all possible Taylor and Lorentz series expansion for the function fz equal to 1 upon 1 minus z about the point z equal to 0. So see, fz is not analytic at the point z equal to 1. So there are two types of expansion. First, when z is less than 1, when z is greater than 1. Because z equal to 1 पे तो function क्या है, analytic ही नहीं. So z is less than 1, then what? And z is greater than 1, then what? So 1 upon 1 minus z. So this is 1 minus z ka power minus 1. So see, when you apply the binomial expansion, this is the mod z is less than 1. So this is the Taylor series expansion. But when you take when mod z is greater than 1, yani ki write in this way, 1 upon 1 minus z, so z take the common, yani ki minus z. So minus 1 by z, ye actually 1 minus z के power minus 1. ठीक है. So minus 1 by z या इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. दिस इज यहां से z को कॉमन ले लिया, ये क्या हो गया माइनस 1 अपॉन z और अंदर क्या बचेगा z कॉमन लिया माइनस ये कॉमन लिया ना तो ये 1 हो गया और माइनस यहाँ पे 1 अपॉन z और ये डिनोमिनेटर में ये ऊपर चला गया तो न्यूमरेटर में यानी कि माइनस 1. So see 1 by z is less than 1. Then you can apply the binomial expansion. यानी कि mod z is greater 1 by z is less than 1. So therefore we can say that कि z is greater than 1. So now you can find the expansion. So see what you do. Simply keep in the mind कि in this one z is greater than 1. So जो ज्यादा है उसी को कॉमन लेना है. z is less than 1 यानी कि 1 को कॉमन लेना है. यहाँ पे z is greater than 1 तो यहाँ z को कॉमन लेना है. सपोज कुछ भी हो, मान लो mod z is less than 2. So take the 2 common. If mod z is greater than suppose 3, so take this one common. So now in this case, you will get the Taylor series. In this case, you will get the लॉरेंट सीरीज एक्सपेंशन, क्योंकि जब z को कॉमन लिया तो डिनोमिनेटर में चला गया, तो तुम्हारे नेगेटिव डिग्री के टर्म तुम्हें मिलेंगे. सो यू विल गेट द लॉरेंट सीरीज एक्सपेंशन. Now in this example, find the Taylor series expansion as well as Lorentz series expansion about the point z equal to 1. So first of all, see at which points this fz is not analytic. So z equal to -1, z equal to -2. At this point, fz is not defined. So at this point, fz is not defined. So therefore, these points are the singular points. यानी कि fz is not analytic at the point -1 and -2. Now, what is the distance between 1 and -1? So 1 minus -1 is 2. Distance between 1 and -2, 1 minus -2, this is the 3. So there are 3 regions where we can write the Taylor or Lorentz series expansion. So first of all, we know that we have to find the expansion about the point z equal to 1. यानी कि z यानी कि सेंटर क्या है 1, यानी कि तुम्हारा z -1 होगा. ठीक है, because this is the center. Now find the radius. So number 1, ये क्या है 2, एक तो 2 से या तो छोटा हो, this is less than 2, and between 2 to 3 and greater than 3. So z -1, this is the less than 2 and lies between 2 and 3 and greater than 3. So z -1 is less than 2. So we will take the common 2. So that give the Taylor series expansion. Now in this one, 2 is less than z -1. So take this common, first case. But now in this case, you take the common 3. So this is the combination of Taylor and Lorentz series. So total means this is the Lorentz series expansion. Now in this one, z -1 is greater than 3. So take the z -1 common. So this is the completely negative degree term here. So that is the Lorentz series expansion. So first of all, what you do, first you apply the partial fraction and you can write separate this term a by z plus 1 plus b by z plus 2 plus c by z plus 2 ka whole square. So find the values of a, b, c. I think this is the 1, -1 and -1. So z plus 1 you can write z minus 1 plus 2. Z plus 2 also write z minus 1 plus 3. And z plus 2 का होल स्क्वायर, इसी का पूरा का होल स्क्वायर. यानी जिसके अराउंड एक्सपेंशन निकालना है, सपोज z माइनस z इक्वल टू a के अराउंड, सो वी विल राइट z माइनस a के टर्म में हमें लिखना है. ओके, नाउ सी फर्स्ट वन, z minus 1 is less than 2. So now in this one, take the 2 common. So 1 by 2 common. If you write 1 by 2 common, so this is 1 plus z minus 1 by 2 के power minus 1. Now see, z minus 1 is less than 2. तो भाई जो नंबर 2 से छोटा है तो 3 से भी तो छोटा होगा. So therefore in this one also take the 3 common. This one. And you apply the binomial expansion. Now in this one again 3 common. So 3 ka square in 9, 1 plus z minus 1 by 3 ka power minus 2. And apply the binomial expansion. See, 2 is less than z minus 1. So z minus 1 common. in first one. In second one, z minus 1 कहाँ गया? एक मिनट. ये z minus 1 plus 3. So z minus 1, this is less than 3. So therefore 3 common. यानी कि दूसरे में भी वही 3 common. तो ये. Now in last, z minus 1 is greater than 3. तो z minus 1 अगर 3 से बड़ा है तो 2 से भी बड़ा होगा, 1 से भी बड़ा होगा. So 2 से भी बड़ा होगा. So therefore z minus 1 is greater than 2. तो z minus 1 common पहले में. तो 1 plus 2 by z minus 1. And z minus 1 is greater than 3. तब भी तुम्हारा z minus 1 common दूसरे में भी और तीसरे में भी. तो ये थोड़ा इनकम्प्लीट है. After this one you apply here binomial expansion. और इसमें तीनों में बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन अप्लाई करके फिर इसको छोड़ सकते हैं. Now in this one also we can find, obtain the first three terms of the Lorentz expansion of the function fz is this one, about the point z equal to 0. This is valid in this region. तो इसको वैसे भी इसको भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे this complete. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? अब ये नोट्स दे देता हूँ, इसको प्रैक्टिस कर लो. फिर इसके बाद और भी मटेरियल मिल नहीं रहा, कल दे दूंगा. हेलो,
ओके सर.
हेलो. हाँ बोलो, क्या बोले हो?
नहीं सर, ठीक है.
ठीक है, चलो तब. इसको पढ़ना, फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में इस पे डाउट है तो वो क्लियर कर लेना. तो ये नोट्स अभी मैं भेज देता हूँ. चलो ठीक है तब. ओके बाय.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.